students, in previous class I had started 1.45, exercise 1.5, and 1, 2, 3, 4 number questions have been solved. So now I am going to solve 7 number questions. 45 divided by twice the sum of 5 and 2. 45 divided by, the statement is expression seven number question. Forty-five divided by twice the sum of 5 and 2. The sum of 5 and 2. Sum of 5 and 2. Here we have to divide 45 by twice the sum of 5 and 2. This is your expression, and using brackets we can write for 45 according to question. 45 divided by twice the sum of 5 and 2. Sum of 5 and 2, or we can write 5 plus 2 and twice 5 और 2 के योग के दुगुने से 45 को भाग देना है. तो this expression can be written as 45 divided by twice the sum of 5 and 2. Answer. Question number 8. Expression is difference of 17 and 7 multiplied by 3. Difference of 17 and 7. Difference of 17 and 7. Difference of 17 and 7. 17 and 7 multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3. सत्रह और 7 के अंतर को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. डिफरेंस ऑफ 17 and 7 multiplied by 3. For this expression we can write 17 minus 7 multiplied by 3. For this we can write 17 minus 7 into 3. We can write. And now 9 number question is simplify the following using brackets. Simplify the following using brackets. Question number 9. We have studied in previous class about brackets Simplify the following using brackets. Simplify the following using brackets. कोष्ठकों का निम्नलिखित में कोष्ठकों का प्रयोग कर सरल करें. सिंप्लीफाई द फॉलोइंग यूजिंग ब्रैकेट्स. 4 number of question number 9. I am going to solve 4 number. 70 multiplied by 2352 minus 50 multiplied by 2352 divided by 5. Here we see that in numerator 2352 is common on both sides, so we take common 2352 and for rest number we write inside bracket 70 minus 50 is equal to by 5 is equal to 2352 into 20. 70 minus 50 is equal to 20 by 5. Here dividing 20 by 5 we get 4. So the simplification 2352 into 4 is equal to 4 to the 8, 4 5 the 20, 0, 2, 4 3 the 12 plus 2, 14, and 4 2 the 8 plus 1, 9. So the simplification of given number is equal to 522. 4 number question. 9402. Answer. 4 number of question number 9. We have to simplify the following using brackets. Here we see that 2352 is common on both sides, so we take common 2352 and the rest number we write in bracket 70 minus 50. After subtraction 70 minus 50 we get 20 divided by 5. Again we divide 20 by 5, we get 4. So 2352 is multiplied by 4. The answer is 9408. Now I hope that you can solve the all questions similarly. You can solve the all questions of this exercise, and I ask you that try to solve next exercise. I hope that you can solve from exercise. Next exercise is Roman numerals. In next class I will start this exercise. Thank you.